Good morning, students. This is the time for computer class, and I am your computer teacher. So, we are continuing the lesson MS PowerPoint 2010. Student, in my last video, in the PowerPoint presentation, we have discussed about what is presentation, what is presentation graphics softwares, the examples of different presentation graphics softwares, the features of presentation graphics software, like a presentation graphics software help us to create slides that contain combination of text, images, videos, animation, link and sound, etc. Number 2, it help us to add animation effects that allow us various elements on each slide to appear after a certain amount of time. Number 3, it has the features of Slide Master. The Slide Master allows the style, font size, background to be set once and then used through the presentation. Number 4, it enables us to add transition. Transition basically specify how the slides of presentation are advancing from one to another. Number 5, it helps us to add slide notes. The slide notes are helpful for the presenter as any notes associated with the current slide are visible only on display. Next, it provides many standard templates and themes for developing slides. These were some of the features of the presentation graphics software. Next, introduction to MS PowerPoint. What is PowerPoint? How to start the PowerPoint, the different options available for starting the PowerPoint. Next, the component of MS PowerPoint 2010 window, like the title bar, the quick access toolbar, ribbon. The ribbon generally consists of three components: tabs, groups and commands, file tab, slide area, help button, slide tab, view buttons, note sections, zoom control and status bar. These were some of the topics that we discussed in the last video. So now in this video we are going to discuss the basic elements of slides. The basic elements of slide. So the presentation in PowerPoint is actually a group of slides. Whenever we are asked what is presentation, we can say a presentation is a group of slides. So it is important to understand the basic elements of slides before we start creating presentation. So the first term here is slide. So what is a slide? We can say it is a single page of presentation created in PowerPoint in which we put our topics or subtopics. It includes several objects like text, images, graphic, etc. So whenever we are asked to describe what is slide, we can say it is a single page of presentation. It is a single page of presentation created in PowerPoint. It is a single page of presentation created in PowerPoint that includes information on a specific topic. So what is slide? We can say it is a single page of presentation created in PowerPoint that includes the information on a specific topic. In the slide we can write the text, can put images, graphics, etc. that we want to present or communicate our ideas. The next basic element of a slide is presentation. So what is presentation? We can say it is a collection of slides. It is a collection of slides that contain information on a topic. So we can say about presentation that it is a collection of slides. We can say presentation as it is a collection of slides. The third basic element is placeholder. Placeholder. What is placeholder? We can say it is an area on the slide which is enclosed by dotted rectangular border and can contain an object. So when we are asked to describe what is placeholder, we can say it is an area on slide. It is an area on slide enclosed by dotted lines, enclosed by dotted rectangular border and can contain an object. And can contain an object. So what is placeholder? We can say the placeholder is the area on the slide which generally is bordered by rectangular dotted lines, and it contains the object. The object can be in the form of text, audio, video, graphics, pictures, etc. So look like in the figure 11.4. So this is the slide over here. So here we have selected this type of slide. So click to add title, click to add text. So both these are the placeholders. Look, these are enclosed by the dotted lines, dotted rectangular lines. So we can add our object in both this part. So this is known as the placeholder over here. So the next element of slide is title box. Title box. So the title box allow you to write title or heading on the slide. So it allow us to write heading or title on a slide. To write heading or title on a slide. So what is title box? The title box generally allow us to write heading or titles on the slide. It is present on the slide with the slide layout, and in all the slides we have a title box in them. The title box is indicated by click to add title. So I have used the word layout. The layout means the different types of designs of slides over here. So look over here. So the title and the subtitle. So this is the particular slide layout, and so here whenever we click over here to click to add title, the cursor will appear over here, and then we can write the title over here, and the subtitle can be written over here. As soon as we left click over here, this will get removed or erased, and then we can write the subtitle over here. So this is the title and the subtitle box, or we can say it is also a layout which consists of title and subtitle box. Next, number 5, subtitle box. Subtitle box. So what is subtitle box? It is found only in the slides with the title layout. It is indicated by click to add subtitle and allow us to write subtitles on a slide. So it allow us to write subtitles on a slide. It allows us to write subtitles on a slide. It is found only It is found only in the slide. It is found only in the slide with title layout. So what is subtitle box? So it is found only in the slide with title layout. So it is allow us to write subtitles along with the titles. So now the next basic element is content box. Content box. Content box. So it is mostly found in the slides that have placeholders for adding the content. It is indicated by click to add text. So this box allow us to add text as well as non-text content. So it allow us to add text as well as non-text content, as well as non-text content. So content box, what does content box do? It allows us to add text as well as non-text content. Now what does the non-text content means over here? It means the images, audio, video, graphics, etc. So to add text in this box, we have to click anywhere in the box and then we can start writing. So in order to write over here, what we have to do, place the mouse pointer on the dotted border of the placeholder. It changes to cross with arrows. Click on the border to select it. Press the delete key to delete it. If we want to delete it, left click on the border and then press the delete key. So the content box mostly is used to add the content of text or non-text icons. So we can add graphics over here, we can add images, we can add other pictures also over here. So now the next basic element is slideshow. Slideshow. So we have already studied with the PowerPoint presentation that what is a presentation? We can say it is a collection of slides that contains text, images, graphics, which are much easier way to communicate our ideas or to spread our ideas effectively. So a slideshow in PowerPoint is a way of organizing the slides and running them either on a monitor on a big screen using the projector. So what is a slideshow? Once we have created all the slides, we can press the F5 and then the slide will continue to run one after another as they are arranged, either on monitor or on a big screen using the projector. So the sequence of the slide from one to another may be changed, or it can be according to the slides that we have created. So a slide tab in MS PowerPoint 2010 provides different options to make or run the slideshows. So it is the most easiest and the useful method to create the visual aids. So it is a way, here we can write, it is a way of organizing the slides. It is a way of organizing the slides and running them. So it is a way of organizing the slides and running them either on a monitor or on a projector or on a big screen or on a big screen using projector. So slideshow is a way of organizing the slides and running them one after another either on a monitor or on a big screen using the projectors. So the shortcut key for the slideshow is F5. Now the next topic over here is slide layout. Slide layout. So what is slide layout? We can say it is actually an arrangement of different placeholders on a slide. The different types of placeholders are placed on a slide, and it is the arrangement of different placeholders. So here we have different types of placeholders according to which we can put our content on the slides. So it depends on the information that we want to include in the presentation. So a slide layout, it is actually an arrangement. It is actually an arrangement of different placeholders on a slide. So a slide layout is the arrangement of different placeholders on the slide. So the different types of slide layouts that we have, the types of slide layout. We have several types of slide layout which we can use in our presentation. Types of slide layout. So the first one is the title slide. So what is so mostly there are 9 types of slide layout that are available in PowerPoint. We can use them according to our need that we want to display the information. The first is the title slide. The title slide has generally 2 placeholders. So it has 2 placeholders. One is title box and the other is subtitle box. One is title box and the other is subtitle box. So the title slide, it has 2 types of placeholder. One is the title box and the other is subtitle box. We have already discussed the title box and the subtitle box. So in the slide layout, we can remove the placeholder if they are not required by us, or we can design or put our own placeholder according to our requirement. So the first one, the first type of slide layout is title slide. The second type of slide layout is title and content. So it is the second type of slide. So here we write the title for a slide, and in the text box placeholder we can add the content. What type of content? It can be either table, chart, smart art, picture, clip art, media clip, or we can write our text over here. So this is the title and the content. We will have a title box for adding our title, and then the content box in which we can write or can put our content. The content can be text, audio, video, graphics, multimedia effects, pictures, etc. So now the third type of layout. The third type of layout that we are going to have is section header. So the section header contains 2 title text box. One is for writing the title and the other is writing for the text of the slides. So the section header generally consists of 2 title box. The one is for the title of the slide and the other is for the text that is to be displayed on the slide. So this is the section header. So now number 4, to content. To content. The to content layout generally comprises 1 title box and two content placeholder. So here we have two content placeholder in which we can write the title and can accommodate the different types of content. Accommodate means that we can add the different types of content in a slide. The content can be clip art, media clip, smart art, picture, chart, tables or text, etc. So thus it is known as two content layout. Next we have comparison layout. Number 5th, comparison layout. So the comparison layout is generally used for showing the comparison between two different types of content in the slide. So here we have a placeholder box and two subtitle box in which two different contents are placed, and it is mostly used to compare the two types of content. So it is used to demonstrate the difference between the two types of content over here. So thus we have a comparison slide layout. The next is title only. The next is title only. The title only will contain only one title box, that is where we have to write just the title only. So it is known as title only slide layout. Number 6th. Number 7th, blank slide. The blank layout does not contain any placeholder. So here we can add the placeholder according to our flexibility, according to our requirement that we want. We can add the placeholders. It can be the content or can be the text placeholders. Next, content with caption. Content with caption. So this is a layout that consists of a title box, a text box where we can write the detail of the content and can display the placeholder along with the content placeholder. So the content with caption, it generally consists of a title box and a text box where we can write the details about the content that is displayed in the placeholders. So it is the content with caption. Next we have picture with caption. Next we have, this is the 9th type of slide, and it is the picture with caption. Picture with caption. So here the picture with caption layout generally consists of a placeholders where we have a picture icon, and when we click on the picture icon we can insert a picture in the content box. It also has a text box placeholder to write the caption for the pictures. So these were the 9 different types of slide layout. So students, in this video what we have discussed the basic elements of slides. The first is the slide. What is slide? What is presentation? What is a placeholder? What is title box? What is subtitle box? What is content box? Next topic that we have discussed is what is slideshow? What is the use of slideshow? What is slide layout? The different types of slide layout, like the title slides, the title and content layout, the section header, the to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with captions. These were the different types of slide layout that we have. We mostly have 9 types of slide layout in the PowerPoint presentation. So these were the content of this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the Zoom Meet class. Thank you.